How payment gateways work. Hook. What happens in the seconds after you click Pay? You enter your card details. Click Pay. And within a few seconds, you get a confirmation. Approved. Or declined. It feels instant. But in that short moment, your payment travels through multiple systems, gets verified, checked for fraud, and either approved or rejected. All before the page finishes loading. So today we are going to walk through how payment gateways actually work and what happens behind the scenes every time you make an online purchase. Chapter 1: What a payment gateway is. A payment gateway is a system that processes online payments. It acts as a bridge between a customer and a merchant. It securely transfers payment information. It ensures that transactions can be completed safely. Chapter 2: Starting the transaction. The process begins when a customer enters payment details. This can include card information or other payment methods. The data is captured by the merchant's website or app. It is then sent to the payment gateway. Chapter 3: Encryption of data. Before the data is transmitted, it is encrypted. This protects sensitive information during transfer. Encryption ensures that the data cannot be easily intercepted. Security is a key part of the process. Chapter 4: Sending the request. The payment gateway sends the transaction request forward. This request includes payment details and transaction information. It moves through a network of financial systems. Each step processes part of the request. Chapter 5: Payment processor. The request reaches a payment processor. This system communicates with the card networks and banks. It acts as an intermediary between systems. The processor helps route the transaction correctly. Chapter 6: Issuing bank. The issuing bank is the customer's bank. It receives the transaction request. The bank checks whether funds are available. It also performs security checks. Chapter 7: Authorization. The bank decides whether to approve or decline the transaction. This decision is based on multiple factors. If approved, the transaction moves forward. If declined, the process stops. Chapter 8: Returning the response. The result is sent back through the same path. From the bank to the processor, then to the gateway. Finally, it reaches the merchant system. The customer sees the result on screen. Chapter 9: Settlement process. Approval does not immediately transfer funds. Settlement happens later. Funds are moved from the customer's account to the merchant's account. This process can take additional time. Chapter 10: Fraud detection. Payment gateways include fraud detection systems. They analyze transaction patterns and behavior. Suspicious activity may trigger additional checks. This helps reduce unauthorized transactions. Chapter 11: Different payment methods. Gateways support various payment methods. This can include cards, digital wallets, and bank transfers. Each method follows a similar process. The system adapts to different types of payments. Chapter 12: The bigger picture. Payment gateways are part of a larger financial system. They connect customers, merchants, and banks. They enable secure and efficient transactions. Most users interact with them without noticing. To wrap up, payment gateways work by securely transferring payment data between customers, merchants, and financial institutions. They handle encryption, routing, authorization, and response processing. Transactions are approved or declined based on checks by the issuing bank. Settlement completes the movement of funds after authorization. They provide the infrastructure that makes online payments possible. This has been a mini Leviathan production. If you enjoyed it, check out our other videos. See you in the next one.